With search-based YouTube, you really can get a ton and a ton of views. And that's what I aim to teach you on this channel, how to start and grow a search-based channel successfully so that you can get passive income while you're sleeping, while you're at work, or whatever you want to do. So as the title suggests, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got over 16 million views on my search-based channel. I'm actually going to reveal my channel within this video, so stay tuned for that because I don't want to hide anything from you on this channel. It's going to be fully transparent. So with that being said, let's just get into the results and then we can get straight into the videos. So as you can see right here on my screen, I'm on my YouTube analytics and this is set for the lifetime of my channel. And as you can see here, 16.2 million views is what I've been able to get within this channel. Now, as you can see with search-based channels, it starts off really slow. As you can see in this graph, I started my channel quite a few years ago. So it's been a long journey, but it's been well worth it. So you can see here, like starting off getting like 1,600 to 2,000 views a day. And then the trick with search-based channels, and especially this type of channel that I'm showing you now, and I'll show you the channel just now, is that you want to post a lot of videos and you want to stay extremely consistent with your channel. So in the beginning of my journey with this channel, I was posting around 2 to 3 videos per day. Then I slowly scaled that to 5 videos per day, and I've been averaging about 5 videos per day. So you can see just increases the more and the more that you upload. So back in September 2021, getting like 6,000 views a day. And as you can see, it scaled. And right at this point right here, so up until March of 2023, I was actually doing all the videos myself. And then from March of 2023, I started to outsource the videos because it was just getting a little bit tedious and a little bit too much work because I had other things going on. And as you can see, at the moment I started to outsource and focus all my attention on the actual keyword research, that's when my channel absolutely exploded. So I went from 10,000 views a day all the way up to, it peaked here at like 41,000 views per day. Then it decreased by quite a bit to 25,000, and now it's back to like 36,000 views per day every single day onto the channel. If you go into the revenue section, you can see at the peak I was getting like $101 in a day, 95 and so on. Then it dropped. I think it was the invalid traffic bug where it dropped quite a bit, and now it's slowly recovering like 70 to 80 bucks on some days onto the channel. So that's the stats, and let me just reveal the channel right now so you know exactly which channel this is. Well, you can see it right here, the name of the channel called Digital Unraveled. So let's just go into the channel itself. So here's my channel right here. You can see I've got 20.6 thousand subscribers and I've uploaded 3.7k videos. And as you can see, it's in the social media how-to niche. So all these how-to videos with social media apps and everything like that. So you can see how to add a Starbucks gift card, how to add a password to Google Wallet and everything like that. These are very easy and quick tutorials to be able to upload onto your channel. You can see they're like 1 or 2 minutes per video. So the cost of these videos is going to be like between $2 and $5, and you can get about an average of $3 per video. And for the thumbnail, you're looking to pay like $1 per thumbnail. So you can get a full video created and uploaded onto your channel for between like $4 to $5. And then you can just decide on your budget how many videos that you want to upload onto your channel every single month. And that's, so you've seen the analytics. Let's just get into how much these specific videos can earn when you're doing this model. And search-based YouTube, you can do it in any niche. This is just the niche that I'm in with my channel. I also have a Making Money Online search-based channel, and then I have this channel right here, which is also a search-based channel. So we can go into some video analytics of some of my best videos. So you can see this video right here has 212,000 views, and it earned $500 in AdSense revenue. So you can see when you upload these videos, they can go on to earn a lot per video and get a lot of views and stuff like that. So it starts off, depending on how much competition and stuff there is, it might rank immediately, or it might take a couple of months to be able to rank the video. But you can see it picked up straight away, and then it got like 200 to 300 views a day. And when it comes to the earnings, in its peak, it was earning like, let's just see here, like $2 a day, $1 to $2 per day. And then you can see that just adds up over time, that the more the video has been up on YouTube. So you can see it's dialed off right now, because it's not going to last forever, but you can still pick up a lot of views and earn a great amount. Let's get into another video example right here, so you can see the picture. This one right here got 189,000 views. This one also picked up straight away. Then it died off, then it picked up, then it died off, then it picked up. So some videos will have seasons where it gets a lot of views, and then sometimes it will decrease in views. But this one got 189,000 views and $644 in earnings. Once again, that'll be a couple dollars a day in its peak, which is decent. So you can see here, like $3 per day. If you have 100 videos all producing $3 per day, then you have yourself a $300 per day income. So you can see the power of this. And this is the views per 48 now. It's also dialed off right now, so that's pretty much dead right now. But we can go into another video example. I think I've got 3. This video got 159,000 views and earned 557, and in its peak it was getting about $500 a day. And as you can see by the earnings, a couple dollars or $1 or so, $1 to $2 per day in its peak. And then you can see if you stack these videos on top of each other, you're going to build yourself a nice residual income with search-based YouTube. This one specific one's actually getting decent views at the moment, so that's good to see. So you can see some other channels doing this exact same model. You can see this channel right now called Guard Realm actually has 638,000 subscribers, 3.6k videos, and he's doing the same type of thing, like 1 to 2 minute long videos, all these how-to type of topics. And if you want to learn how to find these video topics to be able to make the videos, I do have a full keyword research tutorial that you can go ahead and watch on the channel. But you can see, you just stay consistent and upload these videos every single day, and you're going to build yourself a nice decent channel. This channel actually exploded recently. And let's go to the social blade of this channel. You can see he's getting 12.6 million views, which is just crazy, which is like $40,000 per month with his RPM, which is going to be really good income. So that channel has really exploded. Here's another channel example in the same niche. So I'm just showing you this one niche in this video. In future videos I will go into other niches, but you just want to see here how to sign up to Tango, how to download and install Zbit. Okay, so you can see he's got almost 100,000 subscribers. And with these social media how-to type of channels, you can also do between low RPM videos, and you can do higher RPM videos. So you can do a mix of both, or you can just decide, do you want to absolutely explode a low RPM channel, or do you want to do high CPM videos and not get as many views but make way more money? It's all up to you. So the low RPM videos might be a little bit easier to rank and get views, but those higher RPM videos, if you can find hidden gems within those high CPM niches, you can absolutely build a solid income of between $10,000 and $15,000 per month. And let's just go to the social blade of web tech tutorial and see this is a nice decent sized channel in the niche. So you can see he's got 726,000 views, and that probably gives him like between $2,500 to $3,000 per month in AdSense revenue. Really decent. And you can also do affiliate marketing on the back end of this, so you can even earn even more money. I did a video yesterday on exactly how you can do affiliate marketing with these search-based videos, so make sure to watch that video. And then we can go into another example. Gauging Gadgets, 348,000 subscribers. Once again, all these social media. Now this is a low RPM channel, as you can see, Facebook, WhatsApp, Steam, Fortnite, so low RPM stuff, but he's absolutely crushing it and getting a ton of views onto his channel. 5.59 million views in the last 30 days, so that's going to be a really decent income of like $15,000 per month in this niche, which is really decent. And that's exactly what you want to do, is build up a backlog of videos that's going to keep paying you for many months and many years to come as you continue to build up your channel. Now I want to give you some resources in this video so you can go ahead and watch something else after you've watched this one video. So if you go to my channel right now, the video you want to learn to be able to learn how to create these types of videos and all the tools that you need to create these videos is this video right here. Search-based YouTube channel tutorial for beginners. You want to watch that video if you want to learn the process of how to create and outsource these types of videos. If you want to learn the outsourcing method, you can go to the next one, which is YouTube Automation Outsourcing Guide for Beginners. And if you want my full keyword research tutorial, which is the exact same method that I follow on all my search-based channels, you want to watch this video right here, which is how to find searchable topics for YouTube videos. So if you would like to start your very own search-based channel in this niche or any other niche, then I have a free guide for you, which you can get at the first link in the description of this video. All you need to do is enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. Now I'll leave a video for you. If you want to learn more about search-based channels, go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.